It's the last set. Actually, I already did the last set, but I need something for the family to see.
What are you going to do?
Pull-ups, medicine ball.
Yes.
Like, bring your legs out on the core and your shoulders at the same time. Move side to side. You come back here.
Okay.
No tie, but it's all good. Stay right there, wait for that ball. That's it. Go back.
Monster.
Get that extra one out.
That's how you do. What you call this workout? Make it up. It's called the Author what?
That's how you do your pull-ups.
I'll take that as action and cut.